Hello friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to make a cute unicorn. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to be alerted of new crafty fun videos and drawings when they come out. So let's start the drawing. So first going to start by drawing our unicorn eye, and we are going to draw it over here in the top left. So we are going to draw a circle not too big, and then inside of the circle we are going to draw a smaller one at the bottom, and I'm going to draw another one also. Then we are going to color in the big circle but leave those little circle white. Now I'm going to draw the head of our horse or the unicorn. We are going to draw the forehead, so it's going to be a little curve just right there close to the eye, and then we are going to draw the nose. So the nose is going to come down and it's going to turn into a J shape, backward J. Now then we are going to start from here and we are going to draw kind of an S line that come up and curve around. Now let's make her ear. It should be A shape, so we start right there, go up and then go back. Now we draw her ear that in front of her forehead, so we are going to draw an S line, so it's going to curve like that, curve one way and then curve back the other way, and then we are going to curve back into her ear. Now let's draw her other ear, and it's going to be behind her hair, so we are going to draw another shape like that. It's really small, and then we are going to draw another curve for the inside of her ear. Now we are going to draw a horn on our unicorn so that it's look like a unicorn instead of a horse. So we are going to draw a little A shape that start right here underneath the ear and then back into her ear. Now let's draw her neck. So we are going to start right here on her ear, and we are going to draw a big, it's like a question mark line. It's going to come out like this and then curve down. Now we are going to draw the front of her neck, and this is going to be a cool line. So we are going to start right here, draw her chest also. So now we are going to draw her hair, and we are going to draw a line that come like this, that start curving, and then I'm going to start another one like this, start up here and then connect it to that and keep coming down, and then we are going to do another one, connect like this, come down. It's looking really pretty. So now we are going to draw up the part that going to come in front of her chest. So we are going to draw another curve that come like this and curve around it like an S or J shape. Yeah, there you go. Now let's draw her front legs. So we are going to draw a line that come down for her first leg. Then we are going to draw the back part of her front leg, and then at very bottom let's connect and make her hoof. That's her first leg. Now we are going to draw her other leg later, but let's draw her body next. So we are going to draw a little curve right here. It's going to curve around. This is for her back and her butt. Now we are going to draw the back of her leg, draw a little line that come, and then we are going to draw a come down. Now let's draw the front of his legs, and then let's connect the bottom of for a hoop. Now we will draw here a little curve, and then let's draw her belly. So let's draw the back leg. We will draw a line just like this, curve, and then we are going to draw another one that come down, and then we are going to connect the bottom, and this leg is a little shorter than the front leg. So the last leg is going to be bent, so we are going to start right here and then we are going to bend it back in sideway like V shape, and then we are going to draw the inside or the back of her leg like that. It's like she's walking. Now let's draw the tail. it's up to you how you will make it. So start from here, come up, and we are going to curve down. It's totally up to you how you will make the tail, and you can make it different lines in the tail so that it look good. So this is how we can draw a cute unicorn. Now we will fill the color. I hope you enjoyed the drawing of cute unicorn. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to be alerted of a new crafty fun videos and drawings when they come out. So see you next time. Thank you. Bye.